Happy Monday. I'm Lisa and this is Marvin, and today we are here to show you how to make some ice cream cookie sandwiches. I love ice cream sandwiches. Don't you, Marvin? All right, let's get started. I'm going to put Marvin right here so he can watch us. This is what we will need to make some ice cream sandwiches. You will need some cookies, just a pint of ice cream. You will also need a sharp knife. Be very careful with this, friends. Make sure you have a parent helping you with this, as well as a plate to put all the yummy goodness on. All you need to do is take your pint of ice cream and you are going to cut part of it off. What do you mean? So I'm going to take the top off. And it looks like my dog Oakley wants some too, huh, Oakley? And then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to saw through the ice cream. All right. So it should come apart just like so. And now I have some ice cream right here. I'm going to take my plate and I'm going to take a cookie and I'm going to flip it upside down. Then I'm going to squeeze out my ice cream right on top of my cookie. After I do that, then all I need to do is take my other cookie and place it on top. So now I have a delicious ice cream sandwich. Let's taste it and see how it is. That was delicious. Marvin and I hope you get a chance to make these delicious ice cream sandwiches at home with your family. We will see you next week. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn for more fun GrapeSEED ideas. Bye-bye.